Want rich, healthy garden soil without lifting a shovel, buying a bin, or turning compost piles? Stick around. I'll show you the simplest compost method you're not using. Yet. Oh, and hey, smash that like button if you love garden shortcuts, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-frills gardening tips. No-bin composting, also called trench composting or in-place composting, skips the container and puts organic waste directly into your garden soil. Here's the science. As scraps decompose underground, microbes, worms, and fungi break them down into nutrient-rich humus. This boosts your soil structure, water retention, and plant health. There's no smell, no pest problems if you bury things properly, and honestly, it's great for lazy or busy gardeners. Step 1. Pick a spot. Choose a future planting area or space between rows. Step 2. Dig a hole or trench. 6 to 12 inches deep is perfect. Too shallow invites pests, so just keep that in mind. Step 3. Add scraps. Use kitchen scraps like fruit and veggie peels, coffee grounds, or even crushed eggshells. Just avoid meat, dairy, or oily foods. Step 4. Cover with soil. Backfill with the original soil. That's it. Nature takes over from here. Alright, so here are a few do's to keep your composting simple and effective. Rotate your composting spots around your garden. This helps spread the goodness everywhere. If your scraps are getting a bit too wet, just toss in some paper, leaves, or even shredded cardboard to balance things out. And hey, compost year-round. Even in winter, it still breaks down just a bit slower. Now let's talk about a couple of don'ts. Try not to overdo it with citrus. It's pretty acidic and takes forever to break down. And definitely don't let your scraps just sit above ground, cause, well, that just attracts critters. Here's a bonus tip for you. This method is awesome for prepping your soil months ahead. Just compost in the fall, and by spring your garden beds are ready for planting. No bin, no turning, no stink. Just easy compost and happy plants. Seriously, give it a try and let your soil do the work. Oh, and if this made composting sound doable, drop a worm emoji in the comments and let us know what you're burying this week. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more dirt simple garden wisdom.